Welcome to First Look. This is the Haas DC-40. Now you see the size of this machine. If you've got a part that's over 8 foot, 98 inches, or 2,500 millimeters, this is a machine you need to take a look at. Check this thing out. Look at the size of this table. This is a gantry-style drill tap machine. So in this case, the table moves in Y, and the head moves in X and Z. That keeps it supported all along this X-axis of travel. Now let's talk about spindles. Standard spindle, 10,000 RPM, but you can go to 12,000, even 15,000 RPM if you'd like. So for cutting aluminum, you're gonna get that spindle speed that you need. While we're in here, let's talk about tool changer. This is a super fast turret style tool changer. So if you got a lot of tools, your chip to chip time is gonna be super fast. One more thing to notice. This thing does not have our traditional auger or chip conveyor. The chip discharge is out the rear, and we've got washdowns in the front of the enclosure to get all those chips to the back of the machine. So if you need a machine with a lot of X-axis travel, whether you have extrusion, long pipe, go to HaasCNC.com and search DC-40. Thanks for watching.